Look at these two words. Do you pronounce them same or different? If you pronounce them same, your pronunciation is not accurate. And don't worry, today I'm here to fix your pronunciation and help you sound better in English. So these two words are different in pronunciation, but most Nepali speakers pronounce both the words in exact same way. They just say si or si for both the words, but that's not correct. For this word, we say si, and for this, she. Did you notice any difference in pronunciation of both the words? Si and she. Si, she. Look at my lips. Uh, Here, while I'm producing this sound, my lips are spread, looks like I'm smiling this way, and we say see, 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 and look at this. And while I'm producing this sound here in this word, my lips are in the oval position. It's like she, 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 she. Okay. Here and here. That is the difference. See and
Let's learn about these two sounds in detail now. The sound in the left column is s, and the sound in the right column is sh. Left column s and right column sh. Now let's practice these words together. Look at the first word, S-I-P, sip, sip. And look at the word of in the next column, S-H-I-P, ship, ship, sip, ship, sip, ship. Next word, S-I-G-N, sign, sign, sign by smiling, and the word in the next column, shine, shine, shine. Next word, sit, 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 and word in the next column, sheet, sheet, sheet. Look at the last word now. The S sound is in the end of the word. Plus, 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 and brush, brush. Okay, now most of you have noticed that the word in which there is the soft sound has single S, S only, and here in the thick sound there is SH, S and H. So now let's understand the spelling patterns. This is one of the spelling patterns, but this is not complete. If you only rely on this pattern for the soft S only single S, and for thicker there is SH. This is one of the spelling patterns, but not complete. So there are some other spelling patterns that we have to learn to understand this in depth. So let's look at those spelling patterns as well. So for the sound, for the soft sound, we have some spelling patterns. When these letters are producing the s sound, we have to produce a soft s sound, not a thick one. For example, if the single S, if the letter S is pronouncing the producing the s sound, we will say the soft s sound. For example, sun, see, pass, sun, see, pass. And in look at the next spelling pattern. If the two letters S, if the two S are producing sound, we say this soft S. For example, class, lesson, class, lesson. If the letter C is producing the S sound, again we say the soft S sound. For example, city, city, center, center, and face, face. And if the letters S, C are making the S sound, we use this soft S sound. For example, signs, signs, scent, scent. All right. Now let's understand the spelling patterns for the thick sh sound. This is the phonetic symbol. Sh sound, sh sound. We also say it sh sound, like a thick saw sound in Nepali. Look at the first pattern here, sh. If the letters s and h are making the sh sound, we produce thick sh sound. For example, ship, ship. Repeat after me. Ship, shoe, shoe, and fish, fish. Get the next one. If the letters ti are producing the s sound, it would be the thicker one, like in nation, nation, attention, attention, passion, patient, patient. All right. Next spelling pattern. If the letters ci makes the s sound, we produce the thick sh sound. For example, spatial, spatial, delicious, 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 artificial, artificial, artificial. All right, next. If the letters si are making sh sound, again it would be the thicker one. For example, tension, 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 mission, mission, decision, decision, decision. All right, next. If the letters C and H are making the sh sound, we again produce the thick sh sound. These words belong to the French origin. For example, chef, 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 and machine, machine. All right. Now here are some exceptions. In English, every rules have their exceptions. Mostly, not every. All right. Exceptions for these rules, okay, and some tricky cases there are. For example, we have learned that the single s gives soft sound, but here in these two words the single s gives sh sound, sound, thicker sh sound. For example, sure, are you sure, are you sure, and sugar, sugar, sugar. Don't say sugar, say sugar. And look at the next exception here. We have just learned that the two words, two letters, if the two s are coming together and making s sound, it would be the soft one. But here, this is the exception, and here we produce the thick sh sound, not the soft one. For example, pressure, pressure, and mission, mission. All right. Keep these exceptions in mind and also learn these spelling patterns, and you will definitely sound better in English. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next pronunciation class. And thanks for your support in the previous pronunciation lesson. Your support really encouraged me to make this video today again, and I will again continue this pronunciation series with amazing videos to help you sound better in English. So thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this video, if this video was helpful to you, definitely like this video, share among your friends who learn English or who are interested in learning English, and leave your comments below. I'm definitely glad to see your feedbacks there in the comment section. And if you're watching this in YouTube, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel for more English learning contents, and see you in the next pronunciation class. Thank you.